In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account type in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also share a few pointers so you know what to expect before and after the change. First, open your Zoho Books organization and head to the left sidebar. Click on the Accountant module, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is your master list of every account your organization uses: assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity. If you manage multiple organizations, double-check you are in the correct one before proceeding, because changes here affect your reports and categorizations. Next, find the account you want to modify. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly by name or code. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right account, especially if you have similarly named revenue or expense categories. If the account looks like a system-created account or seems locked, just note that some default accounts may have restrictions. In those cases, you might need appropriate permissions or to choose a different account. Once you've clicked on the account, you'll see its details pane open on the right. Look toward the top and click the Edit button. If that button isn't available, it usually means your role doesn't have edit rights. So you may need to ask an admin to update your permissions. When the Edit Account pop-up appears, look for the Account Type dropdown. This is where you select the new category that best fits how the account should appear on your financial statements. Choosing the correct type matters because it determines where balances show up on reports like the balance sheet or profit and loss. For example, moving an account from expense to cost of goods sold reshapes your gross margin, while shifting between asset and liability changes your balance sheet presentation. If you are unsure, a quick check with your accountant can help prevent misclassification. After selecting the new account type, review the other fields to ensure nothing else needs to change. Then click Save to apply your changes. Zoho Books will update the account's classification, and your reports will reflect the new type. It's a good idea to open a relevant report afterward, like the profit and loss or balance sheet, to confirm the account now appears where you expect. If anything looks off, you can return to the chart of accounts and adjust again. That's it. Thanks for watching.